Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today we'll be discussing Asylum. So first I want to note, this video is done on the basis of general information and is not case specific. Results vary case by case. Please feel free to reach out to the law office of Savinder Sodhi for any questions, concerns, and for a free consultation. So what is Asylum? Asylum is a method for individuals who feared persecution in their own country and they have come into the U.S. and are now seeking a way to stay permanently. So there are two avenues to consider. If you have entered the U.S. under a valid visa, you can stay up to the duration of the visa allowance. Before expiration, you should file. If, however, you have not entered the U.S. with a valid visa, you should file within 1 year time limit. If you have not been able to file due to some reason such as a verifiable medical condition or fear of persecution from a vengeful government in your home country, we can also make that argument. So the most important thing to do is now to file right away. Now, asylum is not for everyone because it is not an easy or direct way of getting your green card. It's a process. The U.S. government will review every document you send them. They will review every question and answer you give them with a high level of scrutiny. So I suggest if you do not have an attorney, then absolutely consider one. Even with one wrong answer, it can cause your application to be delayed, resent to you, issue an RFE, create a lot of hassles for you. Your application needs to identify your race, nationality, ethnicity, religion, tribal, clan membership, political affiliation, list all your biological and adoptive children, your wife, your ex-wife, and all such in your application. You will need to address an important question and concerns. You need to describe specific incidents, dates, locations, places, witnesses, and such information. You have to be as thorough as possible. You would have to include a statement which describes the following: your name, birth date, birthplace, citizenship, ethnicity, tribal, clan affiliation, parents' name, address, number of siblings and their locations, your spouse's name and location, date and place of marriage, number of children, your background, schooling, employment history, any political or religious involvement that you'd had. A detailed explanation of everything that had happened to you that makes you afraid to return to your home country. Please make sure to include specific dates, places, names, and witnesses. Explain how exactly you were harmed or threatened. Reason why you were harmed or threatened. A detailed explanation of harm or threats that your family or friends suffered during those dates. Also include the dates, name, places, location, witnesses, and all that details. What you think will happen to you if you have to go back to your home country and why. Why you cannot move to a different part of your home country to be safe. Once again, this is Savinder from the law office of Savinder Sodhi. This video is done on the basis of providing you with general information, not case specific. Results vary case by case. Please feel free to reach out to the law office of Savinder Sodhi for any questions, concerns, and a free consultation.